Yo, what's up everybody, it's Easy Earn. Excel is like the tool. Whether you're tracking finances, managing projects, or just crunching numbers, Excel is the key. But let's be real, sometimes it feels like a maze in there. This is your ultimate guide to leveling up your Excel game, from the basics to some seriously powerful stuff. We're gonna break it all down step by step with clear examples and some pro tips along the way. So let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, we gotta get organized. Think of a worksheet like a giant grid, right? Rows with numbers, columns with letters. Each little box where they meet, that's a cell, your building block. This is where you input your data, whether it's numbers, text, dates, whatever. Each cell gets its own address, like A1, B2. You get the idea. Now you can enter data directly into a cell, or you can edit it right there in the formula bar. Speaking of formulas, that's how we make Excel do the heavy lifting. Okay, let's talk formulas. A formula tells Excel, hey, take these cells, do this calculation, and give me the result. You always start a formula with an equal sign so Excel knows what's up. Then you can use basic math operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. But Excel doesn't stop there, it's got a whole library of built-in functions for common calculations. Want the sum of a bunch of numbers? Use sum. Need the average? Average has got you covered. Once you master formulas, you'll be amazed at what you can automate. Data's great and all, but sometimes you need to see the bigger picture, right? That's where data visualization comes in. Excel lets you create charts and graphs that bring your data to life. Want to see trends over time? Line chart, comparing different categories, bar chart. And if you want to see the relationship between two sets of data, scatter plots are where it's at. The right chart can reveal insights that you wouldn't catch just by staring at rows and columns. And don't forget about conditional formatting. Highlight cells above a certain threshold, track duplicates. The possibilities are endless. Now we're getting into the real meat of Excel data analysis. This is where you go from simply organizing data to actually understanding it, finding patterns, and making informed decisions. Pivot tables are your secret weapon here. They let you summarize and analyze large data sets with incredible flexibility. Want to see sales by region, by product, by month? Pivot table can do that. And with pivot charts, you can visualize that summarized data in an instant. Excel has powerful tools for filtering and sorting data, so you can zero in on exactly what you need. Alright, let's talk about taking your Excel skills to the next level. Automation. If you find yourself doing the same repetitive tasks over and over again, macros are about to become your new best friend. A macro is basically a recording of your actions in Excel. You tell Excel to start recording, perform the steps you want to automate, and then stop recording. Excel saves that sequence of actions as a macro. Then whenever you need to perform that task again, you just run the macro, and Excel does it all for you instantly. With a little VBA knowledge, you can automate almost anything in Excel. Excel isn't just a solo sport, it's a team effort. And with Microsoft 365, collaborating on spreadsheets has never been easier. Real-time co-authoring lets you work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously with your colleagues. You can see who's editing what, and changes are saved automatically. Version history is a lifesaver. It keeps track of all previous versions of your spreadsheet, so you can easily revert to an earlier version if needed. And with comments and it mentions, you can easily communicate with your collaborators right within the spreadsheet. So, there you have it. From the basics to advanced automation and collaboration, we've covered a ton of ground. Remember, mastering Excel is a journey, not a destination. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Now go out there and conquer those spreadsheets. Peace.